The bills of birds make them one of the most beautiful species on Earth. Today I have something to share with you. It is all about the 5 bird with amazing beaks. Have you ever heard about this? Well, let's talk about that, but before we start, if you have interest in this kind of topic, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification to keep you updated on my uploaded videos. Let's get started. Number 5, Shoebill. Shoebills are prehistoric looks tall bird native to Africa. The massive shoe-shaped bill itself is the main attraction of this bird, which also helped to get this name. The bulbous bill of this birds grow up to a size of 9.4 inches, have grayish marking in it. Number 4, Flamingo. Flamingos are large pink-colored birds found in saline and alkaline lakes of many continents. Just like color of feather, the unique shape of beak makes flamingos to special among species of birds. Number 3, Keel-billed toucan. Keel-billed toucan, also called as rainbow-billed toucan because of colored large bill, native to South America. Their bill grow up to a length of 20 centimeters, almost 1/3 of length of their body. It is one of the colorful beaks in the world, can see different colors, but green color is found to be spread in most of all area. Number 2, Great Hornbill. Great hornbills are one of largest members of hornbill family native to Southeast Asia. They have yellow-colored curved massive bill. The black and yellow mixed cascade top of bill becomes prominent feature of great hornbill. Number 1, Rhinoceros Hornbill. Rhinoceros hornbill have upward curved casque on their bill, just like rhino horn, native to rainforest of Indonesia, Thailand, and Singapore. This casque is largest one among horn family, which also brings this common name for them. Male's casque are little bigger than that of female birds. I hope you enjoy this video as much I've enjoyed making and sharing it. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like this in the future. Thank you for watching.